Hey Ali, this is Nick with Generational Leads. I know you spoke with Viola the other day on the phone about her sending over a quick video of your website, and this is it. So I just want to dive right into it. We're going to cover three important things. We're going to cover keywords, backlinks, and citations. Okay. So starting off here, looking at your homepage, pretty clean site. Got some content on here and stuff. And it really depends on, when it comes to keywords, how you're ranking for these keywords and how much content you have with the keywords. Okay, so typically on the home page, Google wants to see about, I'd say 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page alone, and on the back pages, the service pages like that, they want to see about 1,200 to 1,500 words. Now, it really depends on how many keywords you're ranking for and where you're ranking for them on your home page and your service pages. Okay, so to kind of give you an example, we hop over here. Let me grab these guys just to kind of give you an example. Let's see. All right, so this is your number one competitor in the area. Okay, so if we hop over here, you can kind of see how they're breaking stuff down. Not that much content on the home page either, but it's all in here about how they're using their keywords, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So if we go to a tool that I use as Ahrefs, basically it's an analytic tool that breaks everything down. Okay, so these guys are ranking for 672 keywords. So if we dive in here to kind of show you that example, if we hop in here, water damage Alpharetta, just this keyword alone, there's 150 people searching that every single month. Okay, and these guys are in position 6 for that one, bringing in 10 people of that 150, which at 6 is pretty solid. But if we take this keyword, let's say, go back here, water damage Marietta, right? These guys are 6th position right here. So that's the exact one I just showed you, right? So if we look at these though and find these keywords and how they're ranking, water damage Marietta, 50 people searching this every single month, right? So these keywords start to stack up. Now, water damage restoration companies, there's 30 people every single month here. These stack up like Legos, and when you use these Legos correctly and on the website correctly, that's how they all link together and start ranking you. Okay, so once we get those keywords on the pages and stuff like that in the appropriate places, then what we do is we move into referring domains and backlinks, and this is where the power comes from to be able to really boost up the ranking for what we're trying to rank for. So keywords are what we're trying to rank for. Backlinks, referring domains are how we rank. Okay, so this is a popularity contest. It's basically saying, how many different websites or referring domains can I get to link or backlink to my website? And now, the way this works is the more you get, the more popular you are. The more popular you are, the more you rank, and the more credibility and authority you get with Google. However, it's not just about let's get the numbers as high as possible. We got to really make sure that we're getting quality links. And what I mean by quality links is we got to make sure it's in the industry and the niche relevant to whatever we're talking about. Because if not, and we just try to go get all the numbers that we can as far as backlinks go and just boost those numbers up, it's going to become spammy to Google, and then Google's going to kind of work against us because it's kind of iffy, right? It's the spammy factor. So one way you guys can do it is go to your competition here, dive in exactly to what they have, and go take exactly what they have that is of relevance to what you're trying to do, and then don't stop there, right? We got to keep going and make sure that we outbeat the competition and dominate the industry. So with that being said, these guys are bringing in about 230 people every single month to their website with what they're doing here. So if we hop over to your guys' stats, you guys are bringing in 124 people. We got some work to do on the referring domains and backlinks. If we dive into these keywords here, you guys have quite a few keywords. The thing about targeting your name is the only people that are searching for that name are the people that already know who you are. So when you target those keywords that are more buyer intent, service oriented, it's people looking for that service that are new clientele base, right? So if we think about it, we want to make sure that we're targeting those restoration keywords in the appropriate places on our website as well and using those. So it's all about the design and what keywords we're using. Now the last thing I wanted to talk about real quick was citations. So same thing, if I type in this top keyword, water damage Marietta, and we scroll down, you have some ads here. This is how Google kind of lays things out. Then you have your Google Map Pack or your GMB. And this is where the citations live. And then down here is your organic search. Now the only way you're going to be in this top 3 here is if you're ranking in the first page organically down here. So what is a citation? A citation is a listing of your business name, number, and address on a directory such as Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, BBB, etc. And what that does is it builds trust with Google. So when you have your trust, your keywords, and your backlinks, those three things are going to be boosting you up and outrank your competition in your area. So I know that's a lot of information. Feel free to reach out to Viola. She'd love to help you out, and we'll go from there. Thanks.